Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide chats on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to hide your chat, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Snapchat app and here you just go to chat section and here you just have to select the chat which you want to hide. As I'm going to hide this one, you just have to keep a long press on it and here you can see there is no any option to hide chat, but we're going to hide that. So you just have to tap on chat and notification settings and here you have two options. The first is that you just have to tap on delete chats and here just select after viewing. Now whenever the person will see your message will be automatically deleted. There's a second way, you just have to keep a long press on it and here just tap on chats and notification settings and here just select clear from chat feed. Just tap on it, then tap on clear. Now when you do that you just have to and tap on this icon if you want to get the chats back. Now the person has removed from your chats but your chat history will still remaining. You just have to tap on this icon and here just search for that person, then tap on it, then tap on chat, and here you will easily get your chat history if you have. So in this way you can easily hide chats on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.